Hello everyone, I'm Upasana and in this video we have a question. We are given a right angle triangle and here we are asked to find the length of this BC. This side we need to find the length of BC, right? Okay. So how will we proceed? Since we know that this is a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. But for applying Pythagoras theorem, we should know either perpendicular or base, right? Okay, so what can I do? First of all, that we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is angle sum property of a triangle, right? So that means 45 plus 90 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. And when we solve this, we will get that angle C is nothing but 45 degree. 180 minus 135, that is 45 degree. So now we know that angle C is 45, right? So I will write here, this is 45. Now, if you notice here that these two angles are equal, when these two angles are equal, then sides opposite to these angles are also equal. This is a property of isosceles triangle. This implies triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This implies triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, right? Okay. So let us suppose, let AB is equal to BC is equal to X. Since we don't know what is AB and what is BC, we will say that these are X. Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, I can write here, according to Pythagoras theorem, what do we know? We know that perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square, that is 6 square, right? So this implies 2x square is equal to 36, right? Okay, if 2x square is 36, this implies x square is equal to 18, right? Okay, this implies x is equal to plus minus 18. But since this is a side cannot be of negative length, so we will just take under root 18. And what is under root 18? It is 3 under root 2. So what is the length of this, both these sides? It is 3 under root 2 centimeter, right? So we were supposed to find the length of BC and we have found that. I hope you understood this. If you get it, do subscribe to my channel and please visit my channel for Maths Olympiad questions, concepts and short tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.